Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holders? So in this video, a lot of holders ask me on Instagram to absolutely, my brother, please predicate this coin to what's going on in July. They will give us a profit. What experts says about my friend Dogecoin. In this video, everything I will discuss to what I found Twitter, Google, Instagram, everywhere, my brother. I search it, and absolutely, I have give you a very special update in this video, my brother. So let's get started a brand video, but kindly please, if you are new my channel, so kindly subscribe this channel, because 11,000 people subscribe this channel and they are all trust. So that's mean my brothers, to obviously channel will very good channel for you, my brother, and I will give you 100% guarantee to, if you follow this channel, if you follow our advice, I hope you never lost. Come to the point, my brother. First of all, the update of Dogecoin, you can see here the last 1 hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, all change occur will be negative now, my brother. You can see here last 7 days, last 24 hours, but just in only in last 1 hour, my friend, this coin is in the profit. Congratulations, but definitely, my friend, this is short jump. After this, my friend, they will again fails down. So don't see, my friend, the short jump, short fail. I hope, my brother, in July they will give you a profit, but just in only, my friend, you need to wait and you need to hold. If you just in only hold it, my friends, to the end of this month, I hope they will make you a millionaire. They will give you a very good profit after the mid of this month. Experts says, my friends, so they will move upward. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But after a mid of month, experts said, my friends, so they will move upward. Now I personally check out, my friend, the Twitter of experts. So this time, my brother, you can see here the Dogecoin chart. So exactly, if I explain this chart, if I do technical analysis, exactly you better understand. Now let's see, my brother, the first line touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point. You can see, my brother, after this fails, they will also take a very huge jump now, and every condition, my friend, you can see here they will move at this condition. So you can see here after a fails they will take a jump, after a fails they will take a short jump, but absolutely they will take a jump. So I know, my brothers, to after this fails they will also take a very huge jump now, and they will move upward now. So congratulations, my holder, my viewers, my brothers, to there is my friend 70% chance, so they will move upward, but there's not 100%, because, my brother, I don't know to when they fails down more, or my friend, they were starting move upward. Let's see, holder, but this is my personal experience, I share it. Hope you understand. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. I hope, my brother, you will be learning something new in this video. So kindly like and subscribe. Just an only complete 100 like in this video. Allah Hafiz, take care.